Hi, and we'll be looking at this meal. This is eel, yeah. These are eels with some eggs, scotch eggs or broken eggs put there with salt. But this salt will make this thing so it's just like earthworm. We earthworms get so uncomfortable when you put salt. Now, so this thing they do, it's so uncomfortable. So these leaves are used with the eggs to like wash the eels. I think it's to wash the eels and make them yummy. Maybe it's to cleanse the skin of the eels. These eels they stay in water for long and they are washed with eggs to clean it. This is like an Asian recipe and it's common in Italy too. It's popular in a stewed eel. So the eels are being cut into pieces, into bits. So there's going to be used to make a sauce. They are cutting some veggies. Some veggies are being cut little by little inside. This is nice. So just like you are making a normal stew, this looks like a ginger or is it garlic? I think it's a garlic they put inside. These onions. Wow. It's like you're making a normal stew or food in Africa. Nigeria, you're making stew. Oh, and this is pepper, atarodo, spice. Wow. Yeah, over here in Africa, Nigeria, we like our food very spicy. So we love spice in our food. The Nigerian food is known for it being really spicy, really filled with so much spice, ingredients, garlic, and all. Now this is oil, so they're definitely going to fry the garlic and the onions and some other ingredients. So others are added already: the pepper, the scotch, the bell pepper, and the onions and leaf. I think that then they are okay. She adds as well tomatoes. This like then what's this? This looks like thyme powder with salt. Yeah, and just like you're cooking a normal stew. So just more oil is being put inside there, and it's been this is really nice. This is really nice. Oh wow! Now these eels they look really like yummy, and I feel they'll taste like fish. They'll have this kind of soft feel. So at least curry powder. This is like curry powder. Please correct me if I'm wrong. So they're making it like it's going to be like a stew, but it's like a stew made of eel instead of made of fish or tilapia. But eel is a type of fish, yeah. But it's not. It has a body like close to that of a catfish, and it's really gonna taste nice. It's really gonna go well with rice or with swallow. If you're a lover of swallow, this is really gonna be so nice. So if you enjoyed this video and you love this video and you want to see more videos like this, remember to follow this page, or if you're on YouTube, subscribe to our channel and enjoy this and learn how you can make very nice yummy meals like this. Subscribe guys and turn up your notification buttons for more videos like this.